welcome back to the channel. It's V-Man here. Today we'll be watching episode 6 of Chainsawman Kill Denji. So last time on, we got trapped in a hotel room hunting down a devil with a piece of the gun devil in it. They were using that like necklace to try and track it with like I guess when it gets it close to another bullet from the gun devil, it'll like, attract to it like a magnet. So they're all stuck in a room. Well, they're stuck on the 8th floor of a room. And then also, Denji has new motivation now. He has a new mission in general. If he's able to kill the gun devil, Miss Makima will do anything he asks her to do. So, that'll be interesting. But yeah, really interested to see how they're going to get out of this one. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Oh yeah, she was about to freak out at the end of the last episode. Oh, I didn't even think of that, going into one of the rooms. Oh, is he gonna come out the other side of the hallway? Interesting. Denji's in the bed chilling. Honestly, that'd be me. Don't freak out. Just chill and figure out a way to get out of it. What if Denji like transformed and like just cut through the floor or the ceiling? Would that work? Oh, never mind. No, I can't have negative people like that on my team. I'd be like, take that energy somewhere else. Is this the only job you could get? Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, so she really shouldn't be there. Is she laughing? Oh my gosh. That's not funny. That's not funny, but Power laughing hysterically is funny. Oh, Denji is completely out of the code. We can sleep all we want, right? I owe this devil for this nap. Wow. And just like that, he's out. Yeah, he's not the type. So I knocked her out. She's gone crazy? 100% sales tax. I was about to say, she's always like that. She thought she went crazy, but he's like, no, that's normal. We'd have to destroy those clocks, because that'd be annoying. So why did you join? What? Who just slapped you? Oh, okay. Still, just letting people slap. No, definitely not. Can't just let people slap you. Uh-oh. It looks like Aki's going to handle it. I guess that works too.
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
残念。これ最後の一本。
じゃあ、それくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
キスだ！ずるい！
That's kissing no face. That's funny.
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
Oh, he's still alive? Why did he say that so casually?
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。そこのデンジという人間を私に食わせ、殺害したいでもいい。私に食わせ。そうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す。
Interesting. I wonder what he wants with Denji.
デンジ、食わせろ。
Oh wow. Now you wanna do something useful? Just to save yourself? Bro, Denji was ready to fight. Dang. Yeah, you don't just serve up your teammate like that. Hit her again just for good measure. Trying to sell out her teammate. That's crazy.
契約ってあの悪魔は言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力がある。
Don't stand with your back to that thing. It's making me uneasy. Like, could you move a little further away? Knock him out too.
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。
She has her mind set on this prize.
暇だから押し相撲するか。
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
I like their dynamic. It's really funny. Power and Denji. They're just watching it creep up on them.
実際
どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
刀使えば解決できんなら。
Wait.
使えばいいじゃん。
So what's up with his sword?
その時は悪いけど。デンジ君が死んで。
Oh, so she said, if it's between Denji or Aki, then I'm killing you, Denji.
違うが。
落ち着けコメリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。
マジをかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなのに。
This girl's crazy.
悪魔の仲間なんだ。
She needs to be disavowed immediately and sent back to like regular life.
姫。
先輩。
Wait, what just happened? Oh, because that girl's in there freaking out, it's getting stronger. Yo, knock her back out again. Oh, so the devil's one, the chainsaw devil killed. He said, I will be the one to kill the chainsaw.
刀を使う。いいですよね、姫野先輩。姫野先輩。おいあんた、何してんだ。
She really doesn't want. I mean, I understand. She doesn't want to lose another partner. Oh, it takes life. So, oh, it takes years off his life if he uses it. Yeah, well, she just stabbed Aki. I understand. They're going crazy. They've been in there for a while. So the whole team's just turning on each other. But honestly, it's just those two. Like they would be fine if it wasn't for those two. Yeah. Dude, they're not gonna kill Aki with that. That'd be a terrible way to go. I'm sure he's fine, but still.
Power! お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。 他人の血は難儀じゃが
But you should be able to do it
自分
though.
が死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるからな仕方なくやってやるわ
Okay, so she's gonna save him. Just because she's like, if he dies, I'll need a new cook. Someone to cook for me. Yeah, you did. It's not your fault? Whose fault is it? Oh, wow. I hate people like that.
だから自分じゃ手出せなくててめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだそれにあの悪魔攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言って
Oh, yeah, so if you're just cutting it constantly. And you're in its stomach, too, so... Yeah, if you cut it its stomach from the inside, that'll be interesting.
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな
てめえ俺をかばいやがって余計なことすんじゃねえよクソが
I'm sure you're glad he did it, though.
外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな
Oh, this should be cool. Is that Power laughing? No. Did they just end? Yeah, that's annoying. Alright, so that's it for episode 6 of Chainsaw Man. Denji has just jumped into... they haven't even said what kind of devil that is yet. But he jumped into its mouth. But I remember earlier in the episode, he said that the 8th floor is my stomach. So they're all trapped inside the devil. So his idea is just to cut it to pieces for a really long time until it decides to give up. So that's a really good idea. Because, yeah, I'm sure... Well, it would either... Denji would have to cut it to pieces... or that thing would have to hold out long enough until Denji runs out of blood. So we'll see who lasts longer. Aki Saves Denji. He said, I need someone to help me. I think it's more than that. I think he is growing closer to Denji. I'm not sure how long it's been since they've been living together. But yeah, he literally sacrificed his life to save Denji's. And he said, yeah, I need other people with me to kill the gun devil because I can't do it by myself. But I think it was more to it than that. And then also the other members of Division 4, I think they need a roster change, like literally, because those other two, the girl and the guy, they're not gonna cut it. It really sucks for the girl, like her parents are making her do that so she can send her brother to college. So it really sucks, but like her trying to sell out her team and then trying to kill Denji, like that sucks. And then the other guy too, he like, I mean, I think he has a crush on Aki's partner. Because he was trying to get a kiss from her too, but yeah, he was ready to sell out Denji in an instant once they found out they were trapped on that floor. And then power is power. You can't expect much from her. She's just got her own thing going on all the time. So yeah, but pretty cool episode. Can't wait to see this fight in episode 7. That'll be really good. But yeah, anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.